Hi everyone, welcome to Yoga and You. I'm Sanjana Prasad. There are so many different ways in which yoga props can help you in your practice. Today we're going to speak a little about yoga blocks. Again, with blocks you can use them to either intensify your practice or ease out your practice. There are so many ways in which you can use them. I'm going to be showing you a few ways in which you can use the blocks in common asanas that you use or you practice regularly. So let's get into the practice. We're going to start off with how the blocks can help with your forward fold, your Uttanasana or Padahastasana. Now you're going to turn to the side. You're going to start off with your feet about shoulder width apart. I'm placing the blocks, one block right in front of my foot. Okay. Place the palms on the waist, inhale and lengthen your spine. Now as you exhale, start folding forward. Now if you feel like after this point your back is starting to round, the best way you can use your blocks is to place them right in front of you. Place your palms on the block and work on lengthening the spine here, and then you can start bending the elbows to slowly get your belly closer and closer towards your thighs. Now maybe this is where you are today, but as you keep practicing you'll be able to go deeper, and then you can even reduce the level of the block and go a little lower. Once you've reached your maximum here, if this is the maximum you can get with the blocks, you will stay here and breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gently lift the chest up, inhale, bring your palms to your waist, exhale, inhale, come all the way up to standing. Now for some of us, the Padahastasana is already very accessible. You can place your palms completely flat on the mat. Now in this case you can also use the blocks to challenge yourself a bit. So I like to place the blocks flat this way, then step on to the blocks. So this is giving me extra height which I need to cover by lengthening more through the hamstring and the lower back. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale and start folding forward, 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 forward. Engage your quads and try to press the palms down. Avoid scrunching through the shoulders. Relax the shoulders and neck. And see if you can stay here and breathe for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, palms to the waist. Inhale, come all the way up to standing. Release the hands. The second posture that we're going to see is a balancing posture, Vrikshasana. This one really challenges me also. So what I like to do is to place one block flat so that it is stable. It's not going to make me topple out of the posture, but still giving me the right amount of challenge. I'm going to place one foot on the block. Make sure the entire foot is on the block. Align the hip. From here you're going to lift the left leg up and place it against the right inner thigh. Balancing comfortably on the block. Lift your arms up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly bring your hands down and bring your foot back down to the mat. We'll also try this on the other side. Left foot on the block. Ensure your toes are able to grip the block nicely. If you feel like you're not getting enough support, you can also use another block behind so that you're ensuring the entire foot is there. Make sure they don't go apart. Coming up, fix your gaze in front of you, engage the standing leg, lift the right leg up. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly bring the palm down and then release the foot. Relax, shake out the legs. if this is also very easy for you, very comfortable, you can go one step forward and place the blocks this way. Practice it carefully, make sure you're not collapsing the ankle over here, but this again gives you a great challenge for Vrikshasana. When you're practicing your Surya Namaskara, a lot of us find it difficult to bring the foot forward all the way between the hands. So from your downward dog, when you're stepping the foot forward, you might sometimes get stuck here. So here blocks can come in handy. So place one block in front of you, and you can even practice this as a drill for you to help you improve this hip flexor strength to bring the leg all the way forward. So this is how you can practice it. Place the blocks underneath the palms. Get into downward dog. Now the blocks are giving you a little bit of elevation. They are just creating space for the leg to come forward easier. Now you bring your knee close into the chest and step the foot forward. Because the blocks are there, you are able to push further into the floor. Exhale and take it back. Inhale, step the left foot forward. Exhale and back. Let's do it 2 more times. Inhale, forward. Exhale and back. Inhale, left foot forward. Exhale and back. Every time you're moving forward and back, make sure you're pushing into the block. Last time, inhale, forward. Exhale, back. Left foot forward. Exhale and back. Bring the knee down. The next one that we're going to work on is half split position and how it can help you improve your half split. That in turn will also help you with your Hanumanasana practice. So coming into a lunge position with your right foot forward. So many of us, when we start to straighten the leg, the back starts to round and then we go out of support here. So in this case, I want you to use the blocks at the highest height possible. Align your hips, lift the heel up, slide the foot forward and see if you can start bending the elbows with a nice long spine. Now that you've gotten here, you want to reduce the height of the block and go deeper. So little by little, as you keep practicing, you can keep reducing the height of the block to go deeper into your half split without rounding your back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come up. You're going to take the right leg back. Let's repeat this to the other side. Left foot forward, heel on the mat. Make sure the hips are aligned. Exhale and start bending the elbows. So now one side might feel easier or harder than the other. So feel free to adjust the height of the block. The prop is there to support you. So feel free to change it and don't fix the prop. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly come up and take the leg back. Now we're going to sit down on the mat and see how we can use this in our Navasana practice. In the modified Navasana, you're going to lift your legs up, the knees are going to be bent. Now see, there's a gap between my legs and my legs can be a little loose here, we're not really engaging it. So what you're going to do, take one block, you're going to place the narrow edge in between the thighs. Okay? Make sure you're placing it at in between the thighs, not between the knees where they knock into the knees and press the knees. So you're going to press the thighs into the block, lift the legs up. And now you notice the inner thighs getting engaged. My psoas is better engaged. Hands forward and stay. 1, 2. Here if I let go of the legs, the block is going to fall. So I have to engage the lower body. Let's do 3 more breaths. 3, 2, 1. Slowly bring your foot down. The same way you can do the modification with the block in the extended leg version also, so that you find that engagement. We'll try that as well. So make sure you're pressing into the block, keep the spine tall, squeeze the inner thighs, straighten out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bend the knees, bring your feet down, and you can remove the block. I like to also use the blocks to enhance my dolphin push-ups, so my inversion practice gets better, and this is how you can do it. So usually when we do the dolphin push-ups, we do it with the toes on the floor. Now I want you to get 2 blocks, place the blocks behind you. Your feet are now going to go on the blocks. Okay, you're going to sit back, measure the distance. Where your elbows touch, you're going to bind there, interlock the fingers, lift your hips up, and on the blocks, I'm going to lift my heels up. I'm not going to push the heels down, heels are going to be lifted. From here, inhale, forward towards the floor, exhale, up. Inhale, forward, exhale, up. Inhale, forward, exhale, up. Inhale, forward, exhale, up. Last one, inhale, forward, exhale, up. Drop the knees down and relax in child's pose. Gently roll your spine up. I also like to use the blocks for puppy pose. It's my most favorite way to use it. So I'm going to use the blocks in front of me at a height that is comfortable. Step back slightly. Now push the hips back and chest down towards the floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly come up and relax. Lying down on your back for a more restorative, relaxed position. Once you're on your back, you bring the soles of the feet together in Supta Baddha Konasana, and I'm going to slide the blocks underneath my thighs at this height or even at this height to give me that support. Palms can be on your belly. Close your eyes. You have enough support from the block and you relax. Let gravity do its work. Hips are open. Breathe deep. And now with this support, you can relax better. Whenever you're ready, you can come out of the practice. Using a prop or using support for your practice does not mean your practice is not good enough, because there are so many creative ways in which you can use the prop to intensify your practice and also to make the posture more accessible, to allow you to actually experience the benefits of the practice. So never hesitate to pick up a prop to make your practice more beautiful. I hope this video was helpful. I will see you in the next one.